Welcome to Techie Dialogue, where today we're showing you how to add exclamation mark in Fortnite name, and I'll guide you through a simple trick to make it appear in your username. Step 1. Go to the description and copy the special character provided, which looks like an exclamation mark but is actually a letter from another language. Make sure to copy the entire character, not just part of it, because using only a portion will turn it into a normal exclamation mark. Step 2. Decide what you want your Fortnite name to be and place this special character wherever you want the exclamation mark to appear. Combine your chosen username with the copied character carefully, so it looks exactly how you want it in the game. Step 3. Paste the combined name with the special character into the display name field in your Epic Games account settings. Click Confirm and save changes. Open Fortnite to see your updated username with the exclamation mark, and enjoy showing it off to your friends in-game. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful guides.